You've probably heard people say that aging is just a number, but let's be honest, some changes in the mirror feel more personal. The skin doesn't bounce back like it used to. It feels drier, thinner, maybe even dull some days. And while there's no shame in aging, it's a gift, truly. It's also okay to want to look and feel your best while doing it. That includes wanting skin that still has that healthy glow and softness you remember. Now, most of us are told to just buy a good cream. But what if I told you, your skin might be waiting for something else? Not just what goes on your skin, but what goes into your body. Yes, what's on your plate can affect what you see in the mirror. Doctors and skin experts are now saying the same thing. Real skincare starts in the kitchen. So today, I want to share something a little different. Not a sales pitch. Not a miracle cure. But 12 real foods that support your skin from the inside out. Before we start, I'd love to know, where are you watching from today? Just drop your state or city in the comments below. And if you have any natural health tips of your own, feel free to share those too. Someone else might really benefit from hearing what's worked for you. 1. Pomegranates. They're packed with powerful nutrients that help your skin stay firm and glowing. You see, as we age, our skin naturally loses collagen, the stuff that keeps it tight, smooth, and elastic. That's why fine lines and sagging start showing up more clearly in the mirror. Pomegranates help support the very cells in your skin that make collagen. These special compounds, like ellagic acid and punicic acid, go deep into the skin and wake up the fibroblasts, the little workers responsible for building both collagen and elastin. That means this fruit is helping you from the inside, right where the aging begins. On top of that, pomegranates also help reduce inflammation, which is one of the silent causes of aging skin. A research study even showed that pomegranate extract helped fibroblast cells live longer, something that directly supports skin repair over time. Just try adding half a cup of fresh pomegranate seeds to your oatmeal, a salad, or a smoothie a few times a week. It's a small step, but when done consistently, it can help your skin feel more supported, more alive, and yes, more youthful. It's one of nature's best little secrets, hiding right there in the produce aisle. 2. Avocados. Now, if your skin often feels dry, tight, or a little rough, especially in the colder months, then avocados might be exactly what your body needs. These creamy green fruits aren't just tasty, they're packed with healthy fats that act like a natural moisturizer from the inside out. One of the main nutrients in avocados is oleic acid, a type of fat that helps strengthen your skin's natural barrier. That barrier is what keeps moisture in and harmful stuff out. As we get older, this barrier can become weaker, and that's when skin starts to feel dry or flaky. But adding more healthy fats like the kind in avocados can help rebuild it and lock in hydration. Avocados also give you vitamin E, which protects your skin cells from damage caused by stress, sun, or pollution. And they contain biotin, a B vitamin that supports skin smoothness and elasticity. In fact, one study found that women who ate one avocado a day for 8 weeks had visible improvements in their skin's firmness and bounce. That's not magic, that's real nutrition doing its job. So how can you enjoy them? Slice avocado on a whole grain toast, mash it into guacamole, or blend it into a smoothie for extra creaminess. Even adding just half an avocado to a salad can be a delicious and skin-loving habit. 3. Red bell peppers. If there's one nutrient your skin absolutely needs as you age, it's vitamin C. And red bell peppers are one of the best sources you can find. Just half a cup gives you more than 150% of your daily vitamin C needs. That's a big deal, especially for your skin. Vitamin C helps your body make collagen, the protein that keeps your skin firm, smooth, and lifted. Without enough of it, your skin may start looking thinner, more wrinkled, or uneven in tone. While many people try applying vitamin C serums to their face, the truth is, your body benefits most when this vitamin comes from your food. That's because when you eat it, it reaches the deeper layers of your skin, where real collagen is produced. But that's not all. Red bell peppers are also full of carotenoids, powerful antioxidants like beta-carotene and capsanthin. These help protect your skin from sun damage and the kind of premature aging that can come from years of UV exposure. They also give peppers their bright red color, which is your sign that they're rich in skin-loving nutrients. They're easy to include in meals. You can slice them raw and dip them in hummus, roast them with a little olive oil, or toss them into a stir-fry. They're naturally sweet, so they taste great without needing any added sugar or salt. And every bite helps support your skin from within, no expensive creams needed. 4. Dark chocolate. Yes, you read that right, chocolate can actually be good for your skin. But not just any chocolate. We're talking about dark chocolate, the kind with at least 70% cacao. This kind of chocolate is rich in flavonols, which are natural compounds that help your skin in a few important ways. First, flavonols improve blood flow to the skin. Better circulation means your skin cells get more oxygen and nutrients, which helps them stay healthy and vibrant. That's one reason why people who eat dark chocolate often report a more natural glow in their skin. Second, these compounds help your skin hold on to moisture, which is especially helpful as we age and the skin becomes more prone to dryness. Dark chocolate also helps reduce sensitivity to the sun. It supports something called nitric oxide production in the body, which improves how your blood vessels function. This can help with overall skin tone and reduce the appearance of fine lines over time. But here's the important part: quality matters. Stay away from milk chocolate and candy bars full of added sugar. That kind of sugar can actually damage collagen through a process called glycation, which leads to more wrinkles, not less. So if you enjoy a little chocolate now and then, go for a small square or two of real dark chocolate. It's a satisfying treat that also supports your skin. Guilt-free, and glow-friendly. 5. Sweet potatoes. When it comes to foods that quietly work wonders for your skin, sweet potatoes deserve a special mention. These colorful root vegetables are one of the richest sources of beta-carotene, which your body naturally turns into vitamin A. And why does that matter? Because vitamin A is key to helping your skin renew itself, especially as we get older. As we age, skin cell turnover slows down. That's when things like dullness, rough patches, and uneven tones start to appear more often. But vitamin A supports your skin's natural rhythm of repair. It helps your body create new skin cells and improves firmness and elasticity, making your skin feel stronger and smoother over time. Sweet potatoes also provide a good amount of vitamin C and potassium, both of which help keep your skin hydrated and balanced. And because they're naturally sweet, they satisfy cravings without the sugar spike that can age your skin faster. Here's a simple way to enjoy them: roast them with a drizzle of olive oil. Not only does that enhance the flavor, but it also helps your body absorb the fat-soluble vitamins more effectively. You can also mash them, bake them, or even blend a little into soups for a creamy texture. 6. Green tea. If you're someone who enjoys a calm moment with a warm drink, green tea can do more than just relax you. It can actually support your skin from the inside out. This humble tea is packed with powerful compounds called catechins, especially one known as EGCG. These natural substances are like little protectors for your skin. As we age, our skin becomes thinner and more sensitive to the sun. Green tea helps reduce that sensitivity. In fact, studies show it can lower the risk of sunburn by up to 25%. It also helps block the enzymes that break down collagen, the protein that keeps your skin firm and smooth. Another benefit of green tea is its ability to improve blood flow and support liver function. This means better delivery of nutrients to your skin and better removal of toxins from your body. The result? Skin that looks fresher, clearer, and more resilient. Drinking green tea regularly is a simple habit that doesn't require any major changes to your routine. Just 2 to 3 cups a day, ideally unsweetened, is enough to offer real benefits. Try adding a squeeze of lemon. It boosts the absorption of those healthy compounds even more. So the next time you're reaching for a hot beverage, consider swapping your usual coffee or sugary tea for a soothing cup of green tea. 7. Mushrooms. Mushrooms might not be the flashiest food in your kitchen, but when it comes to skin health, they quietly do a lot of good behind the scenes. Certain types, like shiitake, maitake, and oyster mushrooms, are rich in nutrients that help protect and support your skin as you age. One of the most important compounds in mushrooms is ergothioneine, a powerful antioxidant that helps defend your skin from stress and environmental damage. This is important because as we get older, our skin becomes more sensitive to pollution, sun, and even changes in temperature. These stressors can speed up the aging process, but antioxidants like the ones in mushrooms help your skin fight back. Mushrooms are also a rare natural source of vitamin D2, which plays a role in skin regeneration and overall immune support. That's especially helpful if you're not spending much time in the sun, which is common for many older adults. And let's not forget glutathione, another antioxidant found in mushrooms that protects your skin's energy system, helping it stay resilient and healthy even when your body feels tired. Cooking mushrooms is easy. You can sauté them with a little olive oil, toss them into soups or stews, or roast them alongside other vegetables. And if you want an extra boost of vitamin D, try sun-dried mushrooms, which have even higher levels. 8. Berries. When you think of berries, like blueberries, raspberries, or blackberries, you might think of sweetness or summertime. But these little fruits do a lot more than taste good. They're actually full of antioxidants that help protect and repair your skin, especially as you get older. One of the biggest issues with aging skin is damage from free radicals. These are unstable molecules caused by things like sun exposure, pollution, and even stress. Over time, they can weaken your skin structure, break down collagen, and lead to wrinkles or uneven tone. Berries are loaded with antioxidants that neutralize those free radicals, giving your skin a better chance to heal and stay strong. They also contain vitamin C, which your body needs to produce collagen. And here's something else: berries help protect your skin's DNA, which is the blueprint your body uses to build and repair skin cells. Keeping that DNA safe helps slow down the visible signs of aging. Another bonus? Berries can even reduce the damage caused by sugar in the body, a process called glycation, which breaks down collagen. So if you're trying to protect your skin and satisfy a sweet tooth, berries are a much better choice than cookies or cakes. Try adding a cup of fresh or frozen berries to your breakfast, yogurt, or smoothie. You don't need to overthink it. 9. Fatty fish. If you're aiming for skin that feels soft, hydrated, and elastic, you might want to take a closer look at fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel. These fish are some of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for skin health, especially as we age. Omega-3s help your skin in a few key ways. First, they lock in moisture by strengthening your skin's barrier. That's important, because as we get older, our skin tends to dry out more easily. These healthy fats help keep your skin cells plump and hydrated from within. Second, they calm inflammation, which plays a big role in aging skin. Redness, puffiness, and irritation can all be signs that your skin needs more internal support, and omega-3s provide just that. Fatty fish also supply other skin-loving nutrients like vitamin D, which helps with cell repair, and selenium, which protects the skin from oxidative stress. One especially powerful nutrient found in wild-caught salmon is astaxanthin, a natural antioxidant that has been shown to reduce fine lines and improve skin tone. Try including fatty fish in your meals 2 to 3 times a week. You can enjoy it grilled, baked, or even added to a fresh salad. If fish isn't your favorite, consider trying it in small portions until your taste adjusts. 10. Nuts and seeds. Adding a small handful of nuts or seeds to your daily routine can be one of the easiest ways to support healthier skin as you age. Don't be fooled by their size. These tiny foods are loaded with nutrients that help keep your skin strong, smooth, and protected. Let's start with vitamin E, found in almonds, sunflower seeds, and hazelnuts. This vitamin works as a natural shield for your skin cells, protecting them from damage caused by sun exposure, pollution, and aging. Then there's zinc and selenium, minerals found in walnuts and Brazil nuts. These support skin repair, helping your body heal small irritations and stay resilient over time. Another star player is the omega-3 fatty acids found in flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. These healthy fats fight internal inflammation, one of the biggest causes of dull, dry, or irritated skin in older adults. They also help your skin hold on to moisture, which is key when skin naturally loses some of its hydration with age. Just 1 ounce a day, about a small handful, is enough to give your skin these valuable nutrients. Sprinkle them over oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, or enjoy them as a simple snack. 11. Tomatoes. They're rich in a powerful antioxidant called lycopene. And lycopene is like a natural sunscreen that works from the inside. As we age, our skin becomes more sensitive to the sun. Even small amounts of UV exposure can lead to faster collagen breakdown, which causes wrinkles and sagging. Lycopene absorbs into your skin and helps reduce that breakdown. It also supports even skin tone, which many older adults struggle with as spots and discoloration become more common. What's interesting is that cooking tomatoes makes the lycopene even easier for your body to absorb. So while raw tomatoes are healthy, you'll get more skin benefits from things like tomato paste, roasted tomatoes, or a homemade marinara sauce. And if you add a little olive oil, you help your body soak up the lycopene even better. Tomatoes also contain vitamin C, which helps your skin produce more collagen, and they're hydrating too, which is always a plus for mature skin. So whether you enjoy them in soups, sauces, or salads, try making tomatoes a regular part of your meals. They're affordable, easy to cook, and support your skin in ways you might not expect. 12. Watermelon. It's sweet, juicy, and brings back memories of summer, but did you know it also helps hydrate your skin from the inside out? That's right. Watermelon is more than 90% water, which makes it one of the best fruits to support skin that feels soft, smooth, and well moisturized. As we get older, staying hydrated becomes more important, not just for energy and digestion, but for skin health. Dehydrated skin can look dull, feel tight, and show more lines. Drinking water helps, of course, but eating foods with high water content, like watermelon, adds another layer of support, especially if you're someone who sometimes forgets to drink enough throughout the day. Watermelon also contains lycopene, just like tomatoes, which gives it that rich red color and helps protect your skin from sun-related damage. Plus, it has citrulline, a natural compound that supports healthy blood flow. That means your skin cells get more oxygen and nutrients, which helps them stay vibrant and healthy. You can enjoy watermelon in slices, add it to a fruit salad, or even blend it into a smoothie. For a cooling treat, try combining it with cucumber and mint, delicious, easy, and skin-friendly. At this stage of life, you've earned the right to feel good in your skin. And the truth is, you don't need expensive creams, painful procedures, or trendy products to get there. You just need a little consistency, a little care, and the right foods on your plate. Each one of the foods we talked about today offers something special for your skin. Whether it's collagen support, deep hydration, or protection from the sun, they all work gently, naturally, and quietly in the background. Over time, these simple choices add up, and the results show not just in your face, but in how you feel inside, too. Remember, glowing skin isn't about chasing perfection. It's about supporting your body in ways that feel good, that are easy to maintain, and that fit into your everyday life. A few changes in your kitchen could be the most powerful part of your skincare routine. If you enjoyed this video and want more science-backed tips for graceful aging, sleep, energy, and joint health, be sure to subscribe to the channel. We're here to walk this journey with you, one helpful step at a time. Here's to your health, your confidence, and your beautiful, glowing skin.